Hi everybody, this is Ray Ogilvy from Hartsville, South Carolina. Now here's a pleasant surprise. This is a house finch. The male house finch can be a very colorful bird. With traces of red on its head, chest, and back. It gets these colors from the fruits and berries it eats. The female is duller in color, mostly gray with brown streaks. These birds have not always lived in eastern United States. Before 1940, they were only found in Mexico and the southwestern portion of the U.S. They were sold illegally in New York City as novelties. When authorities began to pressure the wrongdoers, many birds were released. And over the years, they've become naturalized on the East Coast. And now they can be found all over the U.S. and much of Mexico.